The Ottoman Empire was one of the most powerful and longest-lasting empires in history, spanning over 600 years from the late 13th century to the early 20th century. The empire was founded by Osman I, also known as Osman Bey or Osman Ghazi, who is the main character of the Turkish historical fiction and adventure television series Kuruluş Osman. Osman I was born in 1258 in the town of Sogat, located in what is now Turkey. He was the son of Ertuğrul Bey, who was the leader of the Kei tribe and a vassal of the Seljuk Sultan. As a young man, Osman became interested in politics and military strategy and was determined to unite the Turkish tribes in Anatolia and establish a powerful state. In 1281, Osman and his followers declared independence from the Seljuk Sultanate and established the Ottoman state, with Osman as its first ruler. Over the next few years, Osman and his followers engaged in a series of battles and skirmishes against the Byzantine Empire, the Seljuk Sultanate, and other rival Turkish tribes. In 1299, Osman and his followers captured the city of Bursa, which became the first capital of the Ottoman Empire, under Osman's leadership. The Ottoman state grew in power and territory, and by the time of his death in 1324, it controlled much of Anatolia and the Balkans. Osman's son, Orhan Gazi, succeeded him as ruler of the Ottoman Empire. Orhan continued his father's expansionist policies and captured the city of Adrianople, now Edirne, in 1361. This made the Ottomans the dominant power in the Balkans and brought them into direct conflict with the Byzantine Empire. The Byzantine Empire and the Ottoman Empire fought several wars during the 14th and 15th centuries. In 1453, the Ottomans captured Constantinople, the capital of the Byzantine Empire, and renamed it Istanbul. This marked the end of the Byzantine Empire and the beginning of the Ottoman Empire's rise as a major world power. During the 16th and 17th centuries, the Ottoman Empire reached the height of its power under the rule of Suleiman the Magnificent. Suleiman expanded the empire's territories and introduced several reforms that modernized the state's administration and military. He also sponsored the arts and architecture, which led to the construction of several notable buildings and landmarks, including the Suleiman I Mosque in Istanbul. In the 18th and 19th centuries, the Ottoman Empire began to decline in power and prestige. The empire faced several challenges, including the rise of European colonial powers, internal political instability, and economic and social problems. In the early 20th century, the empire was weakened by World War I and the subsequent collapse of the central government. The Ottoman Empire officially came to an end in 1923, when the Republic of Turkey was established. The legacy of the Ottoman Empire can still be seen in the modern-day Middle East. Where many of the empire's former territories are now independent states. Kuruluş Osman is a fiction series which tells the story of Osman I, the founder of the Ottoman Empire, and his struggles to unite the Turkish tribes in Anatolia and establish the Ottoman state. The series covers the early years of Osman's life, his rise to power, and the establishment of the Ottoman Empire, which went on to become one of the most powerful empires in history. The show is set in the 13th century and covers a wide range of historical events, including battles, political intrigues, and the interactions between different cultures and civilizations.